Hello anatomy and chemistry students. I thought it would be helpful to create a video that walks you through the steps on how to create an office hours appointment using Canvas Calendar. So I'm sharing my screen here with you right now, and I've got all of my tiles for all the different classes that I have, and I'm going to choose chemistry. And in order to show you what you students see on your computers, because it's a little bit different than what I see as the teacher, I'm going to switch over to student view here. That's a step that you do not have to do. But here we are. So this is my chemistry homepage. But oddly, there's nothing for us to click on this homepage. So instead, we need to come over to this toolbar all the way over on the left-hand side and click on the little picture of the calendar. There we are. So when I click on the calendar, since I'm in chemistry, all that you're seeing here are assignments and things that are due in chemistry. But you'll notice that I don't have any appointment times here. The reason for that is I need to first click this button all the way over on the right hand side called Find Appointment. So I'm going to click here and choose your class. So you may have a drop down that has more classes than just chemistry. So choose chemistry and then hit the submit button, and look what happens. All of the available appointment times populate in the date box. So in order to sign up for an appointment time, all that you have to do is click on one that is at a time that is convenient for you, and then you're going to write a comment. So give me an idea of what it is that we are going to talk about. So retake Unit 1 test. After you do that, you can go ahead and click on Reserve. And now you can see that the box has been grayed out so that no other student can click on that and take your appointment. And as I hover over it, a little black box comes up that shows what the appointment time is, 2:50 to 3 o'clock. This is for office hours. This is for your class, McDonald chemistry, and it should show your name there. Now, what if you change your mind and you decide, I don't really want to do a retake after all? Please don't just not show up for your appointment. You can unreserve it. So if you click on your appointment time, you can click on unreserve. You can leave a reason for me, and then go ahead and click delete. Now that appointment time is available for other students to take. So that's all I wanted to show you about signing up for office hours appointments. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope that I'll see you during office hours. Bye, everyone.